What's going on, everybody?
How you doing, Jeremy?
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah, here we are back in the garage.
In the garage, that's where we go.
That's kind of our thing.
We do that weekly.
So we've got a project we're going to do.
Mm-hmm.
Piece of furniture you got.
Yep, it was a freebie. So...
Yeah, what did you guys, you got this for my dad, didn't you?
We did.
Yeah.
And it's been sitting in a corner collecting stuff because we didn't know what to do with it.
Yeah. It's a bench in that nice 80s honey gold.
Mm-hmm. Which I really don't care for.
I don't think anybody cares for the honey gold stain.
Right.
Something tells me it was just cheap in the 80s.
Yep, and the worst part about this bench is it's too small to actually use as a bench, and we thought about trying to get it into a double toilet, but it's too small for that too.
Yeah.
And
then it just makes for borrowing somebody's magazine really awkward.
It does. There's no privacy either.
Yeah.
So, double toilet idea's out.
So we're going to try and turn it into something else.
Yep.
And
Wally came up with an idea to make an entryway table out of it, so we're going to hack it up, cut it up, strip it, stain it, and
make it look a little more modern, a little more presentable.
And something we can actually use instead of a catch-all for shoes and clothing.
And we were going to turn it into that like this.
There you go.
All right.
Okay, what's the plan? Tear it down?
So yeah, first thing, we just got to get this thing apart.
I don't think we'll use them again anyways, do you?
No. Yeah, I don't know that those are coming out.
I don't know, this thing's coming apart.
Yeah, because those are just breaking. They're not twisting.
Which direction do you have to twist?
I'm going righty. Yeah, the flathead was working better.
No, I have much bigger Phillips. Oh, if those don't just screw in with those cap covers.
Well, that might be.
Let me get something to dig those out with. Because I got a better way of getting them sun guns out of there.
Just gonna drill them out?
Uh-huh. If I can find my other battery.
Oh, there we go. Hey, you got one.
Yeah, what does it look like underneath?
Oh, that is definitely an Allen head.
Well, good. Then we know what we were doing wrong.
Right?
Or do we, pull them towards the front and let them hang?
No.
Or put them on the sides?
Yeah, I definitely don't like it on the front.
Go on the sides.
But I mean, you could almost do some kind of rod or a decorative back to it. Could use it as just a footer, header.
Bookends, maybe
Yeah.
in the middle. So you can only put 2 books in there.
I'm not sure. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're back.
Yeah.
We got everything sanded.
Got it down to bare wood, so at this point now it's pretty much your creative outlook on how you want to put it back together. any kind of embellishments you want to make to it.
Front, back.
We're going to try and use every piece of this, so not a single piece of this turns into scrap wood.
Yeah, so
including
that we cut off.
Yeah, so we're not sure if we're going to use them as like bookends, if we're going to stand them up, put some kind of rod or decorative piece on the back here.
Or maybe we just put them on the back so nobody can slam it up against the wall.
But either way, so we're going to start putting this thing together, at least to the original thought that we had, and we'll figure out the rest after that.
Yes.
You want to try standing it up and see what happens?
Alright. I'll sit right there. Sit that kind of like that.
What do you think, Jeremy?
Well, I don't know. Hold it there and let's take a look. You know, I kind of want to try your idea. Put them on the inside. Yeah, I kind of already think that's a better idea. Yeah. Why don't you come over here and stand on your head, and then you can see what it looks like.
Okay.
Oh, that's the view right there.
I'm telling you, it
Yeah.
sure is.
I like it. I like it.
Okay, well, let's
Yes, absolutely.
screw it together. The edge it is. This might be crazy.
You might be crazy.
But
Cut angles on there.
we could cut angles on there and put them on the back, use them as supports, or we could put them on the front even.
And use decorative.
But let's
get her fully assembled, then we'll take a look at it.
do it angled so you know you sit stuff on it, it all falls to the back of the wall.
Right. Pinches itself in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I really think this thing needs a shell.
Okay, I'm just throwing out ideas. One will stick eventually.
And make it even with this, or do you want to inset it and that way it only sticks out maybe about an inch?
I like insetting.
Inset it, and then that way the front only sticks out about an inch. It helped. Now that we got it pre-drilled, let's use that drywall screw. Or your
The
deck
coated
screw.
one?
Yeah, your coated deck screws.
Okay.
Drywall screw. I don't know, I still think double toilet would have been great.
Like, is this, you know, something like that? better than up here. You would see it more down here.
Yeah, and honestly, having the rounded edges might make it make more sense. Well, here you go, guys.
Yeah, we're done. It's all done. It's finished.
We went from a crappy-looking bench to a pretty nice-looking piece of furniture, almost like a mini baker's rack.
Yeah, so nice that the wife came out and said it's going in the living room.
Yes.
So,
Your living room.
yeah, my living room, which has enough furniture. But anyway.
So 4 hours, new piece of furniture.
Yeah, just an afternoon of fun.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, it was a good time. Again, we made a lot of dust in your garage.
Again.
Yeah, we like to make dust in his garage. So, but, hey, subscribe, drop us a comment, let us know what you think.
Yep. Hit us up on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah. Until next time, guys.
Yeah. Cheers.
Let's go to the garage.
Let's go to the garage.